Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to draw straight lines in Krita. To start, select the line tool. You can either click the line icon in the toolbar or press the V key while in any paint mode to activate it quickly. Once active, click where you want the line to begin, drag to where you want it to end, and release. That draws a straight line between those 2 points at any angle you want. If you want the line at a perfect horizontal, vertical, or specific angle, hold Shift after clicking and dragging before releasing the mouse or stylus. This constrains the angle to multiples of 15 degrees for clean, precise results. Another way to keep lines tidy, especially if you're sketching with a brush, is to use Krita's line assistants. Select the assistant tool from the toolbar. Set up your guide, and on the tool options, tick the Snap to Assistant checkbox. Your brush strokes will now snap to that guide when you draw along it with the freehand brush for perfectly straight assisted lines. And that's how you draw straight lines in Krita. Thanks for watching.